information was not diffused at the same time. Most of, like 40 years ago, think about how information was diffused. It was through newspaper, through television, through radio, through magazines. And everyone has a certain lag of time by the time it's being delivered to the masses, all right? So the masses absorbing the information and at different time frames, the reaction is completely different. This time round in our generation, when we are hit with inflation, we are getting instant data. Social media, traditional mainstream media, and everyone tried to be like stream live, right? You have Twitter, which is the fastest out there, going out with the latest information. Then you have your TikTok, your Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and all kinds of platforms that everybody is tapping onto to kind of voice their opinion. So the way we deal with inflation 40 years ago versus the way we deal with inflation now, completely different ballgame because of information diffusion.